Om Namah Shivaya. Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about the classification of vitamins. Classification of vitamins. There are about 15 vitamins essential for humans. They are classified as fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. And the fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E and K. Okay, A, D, E, K are fat soluble vitamins. Next, water soluble vitamins are B group and C. Okay, these are the water soluble vitamins. The B complex vitamins may be subdivided into energy releasing and hematopoietic vitamins. Okay, energy releasing vitamins and hematopoietic vitamins. What are the energy releasing vitamins of B complex? Energy releasing vitamins of B complex are B1, B2, B6 and biotin. Okay, B1, B2, B6 and biotin are energy releasing vitamins, and hematopoietic vitamins of B complex are folic acid and B12. Most of the water soluble vitamins exert the function through their respective coenzymes, while only one fat soluble vitamin K has been identified to function as coenzyme. Most of the water soluble vitamins exert the function through their respective coenzymes, while only one fat soluble vitamin, that is K, has been identified to function as coenzyme. That means vitamin K and water soluble vitamins functions as coenzymes. Okay, mostly water soluble vitamins exert function as coenzyme, but one exception is there, that is vitamin K also function as coenzyme. Okay, most of the water soluble vitamins exert the function through their respective coenzymes, but only one fat soluble vitamin K has been identified to function as coenzyme. Next, synthesis of vitamins by intestinal bacteria. Vitamins, as per the definition, are not synthesized in the body. However, the bacteria of the gut can produce some of the vitamins required by man and animals. The bacteria mainly live and synthesize vitamins in the colon region, where the absorption is relatively poor. Some of the animals like rat and deer eat their own feces. We call this phenomenon as coprophagy. As far as humans are concerned, it is believed that the normal intestinal bacterial synthesis and absorption of vitamin K and biotin may be sufficient to meet the body requirements, but for the B complex vitamins, the synthesis and absorption are relatively less. Administration of antibiotics often kill the vitamin synthesizing bacteria present in the gut. Hence, additional consumption of vitamin is recommended. Okay, see the table or see the chart. See this table. This table gives the information about the classification of vitamins. Okay, first see here, the vitamins are first divided into fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Okay, fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Again, these water soluble vitamins divided into non B complex and B complex vitamins. Okay, see here, what are the fat soluble vitamins? And the fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. That means A, D, E, K are fat soluble vitamins. Next, coming to the water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are of two types, non B complex type and B complex type. Non B complex water soluble vitamin is vitamin C. Next, coming to the B complex. Again, the B complex vitamins divided into two groups, and the first group is energy releasing vitamins and hematopoietic vitamins. Energy releasing vitamins of B complex are thiamine, that is B1, B1, B2, B3, B6, B6, B7 and B5. These are the energy releasing vitamins. Say their name, say the chemical name. B1 is thiamine, B2 riboflavin, B3 niacin, B5 pantothenic acid and B6 pyridoxine and the B7 biotin. See once again. Energy releasing B complex vitamins: B1 thiamine, B2 riboflavin, B3 niacin, B5 pantothenic acid, B6 pyridoxine, B7 biotin. Okay, these are the energy releasing B complex vitamins. Next, hematopoietic B complex vitamins. Hematopoietic B complex vitamins are two. Okay, B9 and B12. Okay, I think this everybody knows. B9 is folic acid and the vitamin B12 is cyanocobalamin. Next, fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins. The four vitamins, namely vitamin A, D, E and K, are known as fat or lipid soluble. Their availability in the diet, absorption and transport are associated with fat. They are soluble in fats and oils and also the fat solvents like alcohol and acetone, etc. Fat soluble vitamins can be stored in liver and adipose tissue. They are not readily excreted in urine. Excess consumption of these vitamins, particularly A and D, leads to their accumulation and toxic effects. All the fat soluble vitamins are isoprenoid compounds since they are made up of one or more of 5 carbon units, namely isoprene units. Okay, this is the one isoprene unit. Fat soluble vitamins perform deserved functions. Vitamin K has a specific coenzyme function. Next, water soluble vitamins. The water soluble vitamins are a heterogeneous group of compounds since they differ chemically from each other. The only common character shared by them is their solubility in water. Most of these vitamins are readily excreted in urine and they are not toxic to the body. Okay, most of the vitamins are readily excreted in urine and they are not toxic to the body. Water soluble vitamins are not stored in the body in large quantities except B12. For this reason, they must be continuously supplied in the body. Generally, vitamin deficiencies are multiple rather than individual with overlapping symptoms. It is difficult to pinpoint the exact biochemical basis for the symptoms. The water soluble vitamins form coenzymes that participate in a variety of biochemical reactions related to them, energy generation or hematopoiesis. It may be due to this reason that the deficiency of vitamin results in a number of overlapping symptoms. The common symptom of deficiency of one or more vitamins involved in energy metabolism include dermatitis, glossitis, that means red and swollen tongue, cheilitis, that is rupture at the corners of lips, diarrhea, mental confusion, depression, and malaise. Deficiency of vitamins B1, B6, and B12, that means thiamine, niacin, and cyanocobalamin is more closely associated with neurological manifestations. Sorry guys, I tell you wrong here. Deficiency of vitamins B1, B6 and B12 is more closely associated with neurological manifestations. Here B1 is thiamine, B6 pyridoxine, okay, not niacin. B6 is pyridoxine, B3 is niacin, okay, B3 is niacin, but B6 is pyridoxine, okay. B1 thiamine, B6 pyridoxine, B12 cyanocobalamin. These deficiencies causes neurological manifestations, okay. Very important point this. B1, B6 and B12, thiamine, pyridoxine and cyanocobalamin. Deficiency leads to neurological manifestations. Next, Vitamers. The term Vitamers represents the chemically similar substances that possess qualitatively similar vitamin activity. Some good examples of vitamins are given below. Okay, retinol, retinol, retinoic acids are vitamers of vitamin A. Pyridoxine, pyridoxal, pyridoxamine are vitamers of B6. Vitamin B6. See once again what are vitamers. The term vitamers represent the chemically similar substances. Vitamers nothing but the chemically similar substances that possess qualitatively similar vitamin activity. Some good examples of vitamers are given below. Retinol, retinoic acid are vitamers of vitamin A. Pyridoxine, pyridoxal, pyridoxamine are vitamers of vitamin B6. Okay. Vitamin B6 is nothing but pyridoxine. This is about the classification of vitamins. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.